Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 54 how to like an IGTV video on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application. So now you can go all the way to the iPhone, go to the Instagram application, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, go to the home of Instagram, go to the IGTV logo on the right top corner next to direct message, click on IGTV, go to the search box and type in computer science. Click on any channel you wish to, swipe to the left of your screen, we see a couple of videos, click on the video. To like the video, press the heart. And now we have liked the video. Go back once, cancel, go back again, go back to your profile, go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.